willing to admit this morning that you and I have been behaving like children? Oh my God. After all of these years of being a believer, I had to admit that in many areas of prayer, I have been behaving like a child. That I behave like a toddler that doesn't understand that a promise from God is a promise from God. He's never gone back on a promise. He's never given up on a promise. He's never made a promise that he didn't keep. Look at somebody and tell them, get your faith pumping right now.